Happy Friday. So today we have our famous barbecue day. What do we have here, bud?
We got some smoked mac and cheese. Got some pulled pork, some bacon, and all smoked for hours on the smoke.
Look at that. So we're gonna be here all day today. Today's October 9th. From right now, come on down 290 Pratt Street, Meriden, Connecticut, and until about 4:30. And then tomorrow we'll be doing this again too. Tomorrow, Saturday, from 8:30 in the morning until about 12 o'clock noon tomorrow. So. Like, comment, subscribe, and more importantly, come on down, get yourself some barbecue. There's plenty for everyone, and happy Friday. We'll catch you on the next one.